source VGA. VGA. Oh, there you go. You got it. You got it. Okay. So I'm gonna just open up the side panel. Just want to make sure everything's attached. So, when was the last time you used it before you said?
Just sometime was about 6 months now.
Oh, 6 months ago? Okay. But you didn't smell anything about the burning or smoke, anything? Nothing like that. So, okay. Just in case, I brought the just regular ATX power supply. Hopefully it will fit, but good morning, good morning. Okay, yes.
What's that?
Computer. That's Tony's.
Oh, you fixed it?
I'm trying to fix it.
What's the camera for?
I'm YouTubing. I'm recording
Oh.
while I'm fixing it. So transparent. Transparent. Power's off, so I'm gonna power it on. Power box, alright? Okay. So I'm gonna press the power button, it should be on the front. So it's nothing wrong, right? I see. And then plug this. You said a long time ago power box is being switched off.
Sometimes, a couple of times I tried to power it on. It like just see you hear it like it wants to come on, but just like that.
Okay. And just want to make sure all this part is original part, right?
Yes.
Never been replaced anything.
I did it. I went and call it once and they replaced the power.
Or replace power once.
Yes.
You know what? Let's try to change the power. I brought my power. Hope this is same. Okay. Let's try.
Oh.
Yep.
He got something to do today.
Good job.
Are you recording it? Oh, you should.
Transparent.
Oh, my bad. You do
It's okay.
YouTube?
It's okay.
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
I didn't know you were recording. Let me subscribe to your channel, man.
The stuff I show you, that one's my YouTube.
That's your YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yep.
So I hear much as a call to the river. What's that one of those guys? Those guys in that phone? They try.
You know what, the Tony? He's still using AOL. This is about 20 years old. It's not worth to fix, but well, it is what it is. It's alright.
Still dial up?
Yeah, I can still live. I can still support. I still get it low.
Tony, you get
Looks like power is down.
Tony, you get a tablet strong.
Yeah. This is slower tablet. Slower phone. So I got power plugged in. Again. working. It's working. Power on.
This shit. Wait for it.
You come on here for a second. It's working. It's spinning. But this one, this day, if the power has kind of temperature low, the fan won't turn it on. So this is normal. This is normal. But another problem is I have to get the monitors worked out. So that's my next step.
So this monitor computer.
So VGA. Oh, there you go. You got it. You got it. Bless you. Do it again.
Yeah.
And then wait for your screen. Wait for your screen. Try to power on one more time just to make sure the last one. Just check last time.